Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs on an electric stove. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and add a small knob of butter. Whisk 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and a splash of milk until slightly frothy. Pour eggs into the warm pan, wait until edges set, then gently stir with a silicone spatula, folding toward the center until soft curds form and eggs are just cooked. Start by setting the stove to medium or slightly below to avoid rubbery eggs. Use low and slow heat. Patience yields creamier curds than high heat. Keep moving eggs gently and remove pan from heat just before fully done. Residual heat finishes them. For fluffier texture, separate yolks and whites then combine, or add a splash of milk or cream for richness. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Quick recommendation: if you're standing at the stove, consider treating your feet too. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty. These socks stay up, cushion steps, and handle long kitchen shifts without wearing out. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate it, and now let's get back to the video. Try adding mix-ins like grated cheese, chopped herbs, or sautéed mushrooms for flavor and texture. Fold ingredients in towards the end, so eggs stay tender and fillings warm without overcooking. Season simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper, finishing with a pat of butter or a sprinkle of chives. For a restaurant style, cook low and slow and finish with a splash of cream for glossy, silky scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.